You know, every single time you look at a poster, a website, or even the packaging of your favorite snack, you are not just seeing colors and text randomly thrown at you. You are looking at a carefully built language, the language of design. And here's the thing, like every language, it has rules. These rules are called design elements, and once you understand them, you will never say the word the same way again. Let's break it down one story at a time. Picture this. You are in a museum, staring at a painting. The artist hasn't drawn a single object, yet with just lines, they guide your eyes across the canvas, making you feel tension here, calm there. Lines are the storyteller of design. They separate, they connect, they create flow. Think about Adidas 3-stripe lines. So simple yet instantly recognizable. That's the power of a line. Now imagine walking past a toy store. Even from a distance, the circular Mickey Mouse ears grab attention before you even read the sign. Shape give identity. Squares feel strong and stable. Circles feel friendly and approachable. Triangles feel sharp and dynamic. Shape isn't just about geometry, it's about emotion. Color, the mood setter. Ever notice how Coca-Cola's red feels energetic and exciting? Or how Spotify green feels fresh and lively? Colors aren't just decoration, they are psychological trigger. They set the tone before a single word is read. If design is a conversation, color is the emotion behind the words. Run your hands over a smooth iPhone box and then a rough recycled paper package. You can feel the difference even before opening it. That's texture. In digital design, texture might be subtle shadow, grain, or pattern. It gives flat design depth, making them more human, more tangible. Funny enough, what you don't put on the page matters just as much as what you do. Apple is the master of this. Ever seen their product ads? Clean background, nothing to distract you. That empty space screams, focus here. This is important. Space isn't just emphasis, it's clarity. When you walk into a Starbucks, notice how the logo isn't just a flat mermaid anymore. It has depth, curves, shading. That's form. It turns flat shape into something dimensional, something that feels real. Form makes design feel alive. Finally, typography, the voice of design. Imagine if Nike's slogan "Just Do It" was written in Comic Sans. It would feel powerful. Nope. Fonts have personality. Serif fonts feel classic and reliable. Sans serifs feel modern and clean. Script fonts feel personal and stylish. The word may be the same, but the tone changes everything. So here's the secret. Every poster, every logo, every UI you admire is built on these 7 elements: line, shape, color, texture, space, form, and typography. And when you learn to master them, you stop guessing and start designing with intention. Mastering these 7 elements is just the beginning. They are the building blocks, but the real magic happens when you combine them with the principle of design. That's what turns good work into unforgettable work. If you haven't seen my last video on the 6 design principle, that's your next stop. It connects perfectly with what we learned today. The link's right here. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll see you there. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.